All right, so boom. Who are they? Put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. Who are they? Who are they? Yeah. Yes, sir. The Yin Gang Twins. The Yin Gang Twins. The Yin Gang Twins. Boom. And the Yin Yang Twins was, listen, family, these niggas was planted. Now, I can't prove it, but goddamn, these niggas was planted. So Yin Yang Twins, masculine and feminine energies, right? Yin and Yang Twins were known for their sexual connotations of music. They had hit songs like Wait till you see my, wait till you see my, wait till you see my, They had the bad song, right? What's the bad? What was the bad song, babe? I can't remember how it went. They had what was that? How did that bad song go? They had that Miss New Booty. I found you, Miss New Booty. They had that whistle while you twerk. And it started. Nigga, I'm about to make that pussy fart. Yeah, these niggas, goddamn fools. Hey, what's the shake it like a salt shaker? Shake it like a salt shaker.
They say shake it for $1, 5 to 10. What would you do for a 20 twin? Get on the floor and do it back then. What it was going on?
Hey, I used to be in the club like, hey, it's going down. The strip club was going down. That was my shit. Say, aye. She got her hands on her knees and her bows on her thigh. She gave it. Yeah.
All of that. Y'all remember?
Say, that shit was crazy, nigga. So this is what we talk about. Their music was keeping your energy in the lower nature, where the physical reigns supreme, right? And they called them yin yang twins for a specific reason. You feel me? Yin and yang. They tried to manipulate your code. I'm going to show you in a minute. They were manipulating your code by having these yin yang twins everywhere with their music everywhere, right? And their music being so sexual in nature was keeping you in your root and sacral chakra, never able to rise, right? Some of this music today is still doing that, right? You can, all the Cardi B's and Nicki Minaj's or whatever these musics are, right? They're keeping you in your lower nature so you can seek out and hunt. You feel me, fellas? And bust a nut, if you will, right? So I remember, nigga, when I was in my lower nature like this heavy, telling you, drinking, smoking, like partying every 3 times a week. I'm talking about I'm going to every after hour, nigga, because this is all I listen to. This music was entrained into my DNA. It was actually embedded into my subconscious mind, right? So now all niggas was thinking about is sex. How can I, hit that? Damn, I really want to get that, man, right? So that level of thinking is lower nature, right? You're not in your right state of mind. You're not conscious. You're walking around asleep. You're a zombie, right? Because your energy is tied to this emotional urge of you getting off. You feel me? So all you think about is, when's my next nut? When's my next nut? When am I gonna eat? Eat. I want to eat. I want to, you know what I'm saying? You're in that space. You're in that kind of mindset. You feel me? And you're there maneuvering in such a space that doesn't serve you. It doesn't serve you to be enlightened, right? It's not making you illuminated or enlightened. The enlightened one. Feel me? Your consciousness is down in the gastrointestinal sac. So you want to get off of that, family. You want to get off of this music and start moving into a space of understanding that music is spells, right? And it's rhythm, right? Just like what they used to do in ancient times when they had the drums and the beats and all of this stuff and the chanting and the sounds, right? They were invoking an energy to bring forth energy, right? And all of this stuff is about energy, right? So, okay, let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. Who is this? Who are they? No, 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 no. Where my Memphis people at? Yeah, Zeus, I knew you was gonna be first. Yeah. 3-6. Yeah, 3-6 Mafia, right? 3-6 Mafia, right? Now these niggas used to have this. That music was definitely hypnotic, right? Y'all remember that shit? That shit was putting niggas in a motherfucking trance. Nigga. Man. So 3-6 Mafia, 666, right? 3-6, right? Let's stay with me, family. 3 6s, right? You got to see this thing for what it is. 3-6, right? Is 3-6 Mafia was accused of being some devil worshippers. Their music was tagged as satanic rituals. They claim the name's meaning is attributed to the fact that it started with 3 people in the group and ended up with 6. 3-6 Mafia, according to an interview with UCJ. That is absolutely false. That is absolutely, this nigga is lying. There's no way they, what kind of, okay, let's think about this, right? So you have a group with 3 people, right? You already have a group, right? And you're building songs, you're doing songs, da 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 da, right? And then all of a sudden it gets 4, 5, 6, and now you call yourself 3-6 Mafia. Again, this group was a plant. And I love Yang Yang Twins and 3-6 Mafia, family. You know what I'm saying? Their music was off the chain, you feel me? But they were a plant by the corporations, right? These corporations find how you say people in the slums that can rap, right? People in the country, in the slums, and in these particular areas that can rap, and they put them and they give them their they're giving their name, their group names, and they say, and then they just roll with it, right? And they don't know the yonder because they still getting paid. They like, shit, all right, I'll do that shit as long as I'm getting paid. You want me to call myself 3-6 Mafia? Okay, cool. Yeah. I ain't gonna go into their songs as deep, but just know that their music was hypnotic spells to keep you where? In your lower nature. You feel me? So the more you're conscious of this stuff, right, and not being in a trance or oblivion to the idea of this music is serving you, right? The more you know that music will put you in hypnotic states, right? Think about the spiral, right? Think about the vortex, right? All of these things is putting you in a trance. And the trance is key to moving your mind, putting stuff in your mind, impregnating your subconscious mind that makes you move automatically, right? Because people want to rule over you and all this other stuff. You feel me? So these people are advanced, right? Not necessarily 3-6 Mafia and the Yin Yang Twins, but I'm saying like the people that's running behind the scenes, right? The people that's putting them out there in these corporations, they're advanced. So remember, Yin Yang Twins, right? Yin and Yang, and 3-6 Mafia, and that's what we're talking about. 3 6s or 3 6s, right? 666 or 3 6s. You feel me? So let's get it on. Let's get it on. So stay with me, family, because this is it. This is the power. This is where we're going to turn up right here, right now. Put a